and to conclude on the webinar we have just given, I think in general we can conclude that complex markets lead to missed margin due to the complexity, and that we need a more, let's say, advanced view in terms of how we digest the data and make eventually a decision. We also understand from this presentation that Excel or traditional pricing tools as price analysts have limitations in their scope. So it's good to realize that and to understand when is the moment for your organization there to do it on a different way, because that margin is running out of your business and you want to make a change. The third one is that the use of price sensitivity model helps you to identify the drivers of your price and how that influences it. So it makes a more comprehensive overview of the dynamics where you are active in. 4 is any price drive can be included in the model as long as data is available. And as said, that is the vision that we also carry with this model, is that you make a consensus model. And what we do is constantly iterate with new circumstances, understanding the sentiment of the market and price with the business in that sentiment, where we eventually, how better you do that, how better the margin eventually is to the organization, and how better you then also are positioned, obviously, to capitalize on your market share and expand that as well. The fifth one is that the categorization of the sensitivity model helps you to have different buckets, so that helps you to get a operational execution of such a model. So the execution can be just 4 different quadrants, although the backend can be really comprehensive, right, and intelligent and advanced. So I think that really helps organizations to bring something that can be scientific, quite hard maybe for a large part of the organization to grasp. But if you translate it to just the price, the up, the downs in terms of the sensitivity score, that really helps just to have that operational progress and process in place and get everyone on their journey, so that you have a good incorporation of these types of models. And the last one is obviously to take action, that you need to take action to maximize revenue or margins, and that obviously you want to do that in a way with such a model without compromising your demand.